So guys, welcome back. Finally a new video. We are, as you can see, close to the property I live on. A bit farther away from my house. And after I talked to my landlord, this is still, like, even behind the fence, it's still all belongs to him, and I'm allowed to use that place to build something. So the plan for today is to build a little fireplace. Some tourists or travelers or whatever have made a fireplace. I'll show you in a second. And I just want to make that a bit bigger. So you see this open place here? And there's a little fireplace. So we built a bit more here. See this? So I want to build up like a nice plateau for that. And also I was thinking of making a little shelter for travelers, so they can just use it. I think we can put it right here. Maybe a little like trapper bed or something. And then we use either the dead trees or what the sea gives us. And yeah, I will set you up and then we start. Just a quick note from my side. The last 2 weeks were a bit difficult. So the dog was sick, then he was fine again. I went out with him and made a video. I show you some clips here. So guys, sorry that I couldn't take you with me. I now decided to destroy his leash. I don't know how we did it. Looked like a straight cut. I just made a fire real quick to get rid of the mosquitoes. Now I cook some water for my dinner. I inflated the sleeping mat already. That's the rest of the firewood I have. And yeah, that's it. Just cooking it. Putting it will be couscous today. Also see, I have to tighten it a bit. But yeah, so that was the problem that occurred. I also ignited this with a lighter, just the easy way. So yeah, not a good boy today. Yeah, however, so he was fine. He ripped his leash, and I need him to be on his leash. Otherwise, it's too dangerous for us to be outside. So that delayed everything. Then the weather was shit, so now I hope I can make something nice now. It's a little later. Look what I found. Perfect plate. So this will be the base of the fire pit. I'll show you in a close-up. So what I do next is put the stones around it again, leaving one side open. So this now will be the heat protector, right? Because you have those stones here, right? They look like bricks, and it's pretty easy to build something with it. So I think that's enough. Let me show you around. So guys, this is what I came up with. So yeah, obviously you have space to let air in, so the fire burns better, and it's off the ground. I don't know, maybe you can put something below it, but that has no purpose. It's just to get it off the floor. Yeah, I think that's fine. It's like, how deep is that? Maybe 20 centimeters. And the plate, as you can see. Yeah, so first step is alright. Now I want to build a bench, and for the bench I have something in the, like, over the hill at the beach, and let's see if it's still there. This is the other side, and as you can hear, it's quite a bit windier than there and behind this. But yeah, that's the other side of the property. So it's nice, right? So guys, this is what I found the other day. But when I walked here, there was a big flat stone, and I tried to get this as well. This is option number one. It should be quite sturdy. So I think you can sit on it, but yeah, option one. And the other option I try to carry over, because the stone might be at like between 50 and 70 kilos. That is quite heavy. Yeah. Do you guys know, like, work no one appreciates you doing? Carrying this thing over. Let me show you. That is the silky big boy for those outdoor freaks, and that stone will be on my back for like 100 meters. Doesn't sound too bad when I say it like that. So yeah, I will take this just because it looks cool, and yeah, it is natural, right? I don't know if you can tell, I'm out of breath. Now you might think, oh yeah, he's already there. No, that's 20 meters. 80 to go. So I figured flipping is the easiest way. But still, it's fucking heavy. So let's do it. Muss ja. I arrived, guys. I smushed my finger because I tried to chop off a corner, so a little corner split up, so I tried to make it even. Didn't work out as great, and then when I was halfway there, it split in half, but not how you expect to be split in half. Oh, now we have poop on it. That's the bad finger. So it's split here for whatever reason. Now we have a smaller bench. Put it there and we will see. So, welcome back. Fireplace and my little bench. And yes, I cleaned the poop. Ooh. It's a bit wobbly, but that's due to the ground, I think. So I've like, oh, there's some space, right? We can fit that. Yeah, I fixed the little issues, and then sun is coming out. I also had, if you can see them, visitors. So I think it's a really great idea. If people come here, they can just sit down. Yeah, I put some more stones underneath it. Now it, yeah. So it doesn't move a bit. If you are really moving it, then yeah. But yeah, that's great so far. Also have the curved edge. I mean, it's so low that your butt doesn't even touch it, but if you want to like make your legs straight, there's no hard edge, sharp edge. So yeah, that's it for the video. Next time try to figure out how to make a maybe like a schrägdach, English word as usual on the screen right now. And yeah, just a quick note here. So this will be the place I do stuff like maybe overnighters, or like in this area, you know what I mean. Doing overnighters, doing tests, gear tests, whatever. Over there is freshwater as well, if you didn't notice. So there's like a little pond and then a little creek coming right next to the beach, or basically in the middle of the beach. And yeah, so I have fresh water here. I have trees. I'm also allowed to cut them down if I need to, but as you can see, I have some dead trees anyway. Yeah, I can make fire here. Obviously I can fish in the sea. So this will be my go-to place for tiny adventures. And then we will make a tour. You can barely see the mountain here. So this mountain over there, that is pretty much the property of my landlord as well. So I'm allowed to do basically what I want there. Obviously it has to be legal and stuff, so I will not shoot reindeers or some shit. So yeah, this will be the other location. The reason for that is because the dog rips his leash, and if he runs away and causes trouble, he can, in the worst case, be put down by the police. And I definitely don't want that. And yeah, so the overnighters with the dog are not an option. Means I either have to ask my landlord to feed him in the morning, or if I'm so close to my property, I can just go over, feed him and come back. That is the plan for the future. Also next week I plan on doing my farming field, my crops, whatever. And yeah, obviously the roof here has to be built somehow. I might use a tarp for that. I have one spare tarp that is camouflaged, so it might fit in here pretty well. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, have a great time.